What up, y'all? It's Every Penny Counts. It's New Money Maker Monday, so I got a new app for y'all. It's called Yasoo Rewards. You can download it in the Play Store on your phone, your tablet. Click the link in the description. It'll take you directly to the app, and you'll get free bonus points if you sign up with the link. All right, so let me show you what it is that I do on this site in order to make money with it. I'm clicking on it right here. You'll see at the top, I already have, let me clear that up real quick, 1,202 points. You can cash out at $5 here. I'm gonna show you all of that, but let me show you what you do first. You can go to tasks. That's one thing you can do. That's basically like surveys and downloading apps. That's probably the biggest way you're gonna earn in this app. You see here some of the offer walls that they have. But if you scroll down, you'll see things you can do, just like downloading apps, signing up for other apps, other websites, things like that, in order to earn points. You know what I'm saying? Very simple things. Look, this one right here, just run the app, 40 points. Very simple things. It just shows you a brief description of what you have to do in order to earn points. So you just go through the list and just, see what you can do. I wouldn't try to do all of them. See, look, a lot of these are just install them and run. 21 points. Just that simple. So you can really make a lot of points with this app just in the task section. Of going back and going down, you can do surveys as well. Sign up. That's just, signing up for different offers or whatever. You can watch videos on here. I think you'll get 3 points for every video that you watch. Daily bonus, you'll every time you log into the app every day, you'll get a few points. I think the minimum you'll get is like 5, but it can go a little higher than that. I think like anywhere between 5 to 10 every day. Mystery cash out giveaway. That's when you cash out, they give you free points just for cashing out. Apps for free. I've really looked at this. Every time I look at it, there's really no points in there, but just to show you, like every time I click on it, this is what I get. There are no free apps available in your country. So I don't really know what that does, honestly, but it might just depend on where I'm at. Lucky spin. This is something I need you guys to really understand. You can do this every day. This is one thing I like, just because if you click on it here, earn and collect, you see here you get 2 free spins, and every time you spin, this is what you can win on the wheel. When you do 2 free spins after that, you'll get charged 20 points per spin. But in order to get another free spin, all you have to do is go down to watch a video and you get a spin free. So you'll watch a video and the ad will play for about 15 to 30 seconds. After that, you close out the ad and you'll get another spin. And I think you can do that probably about 10 times you can do that. You know what I'm saying? Just continue to earn points. You can do that every single day. All right, so that's just a few things on this app that I do and make money. Like I said, you can share as well with your friends and your family. You can earn points doing it as well. Like you can put it in Twitter and things like that. You can like them on Facebook, earn points. Follow them on Facebook, get 100 points. I've already done all these things. They're still showing for me, but those are things you should do as soon as you sign up for it. All right. So like I said, most of the points will be in your task section as far as like signing up for different offers and really the apps. That's where you're gonna make most of your money. So just pay attention to that. Going back into my balance, how you cash out, and click on that real quick. And an ad will play. Let me pause the video because I don't want to get in trouble for that. All right, so I had to pause the video because I don't want to get any copyright issues. But here it is where you can cash out. It says United States. That's where I'm at, but you can use any country. This is available for all countries. You click on United States, it'll show you some of the other countries you do. It shows you the prizes, but what I like to do is go to worldwide so it can show me all of the prizes that I can get. And you just scroll down, and most of you like PayPal, so I click on that and show you $5, 4,500 points. You know what I'm saying? You see here all of what you can do for PayPal. So you kind of get a little bit of a discount if you really, just grind out and do what I'm saying, like, download some apps here, sign up for an offer, take a survey. You can really accumulate points very fast. Like I said, I have 1,202 points, and I got that basically within a few days. Like I just been playing around with this app recently. It was brought to my attention by one of my subscribers. They showed me a payment proof that they've been using it for a while, so I really jumped on it, and I'm having a lot of success with it so far. So I wanted to bring it to you on New Money Maker Mondays, to encourage you guys to download it on your phone and or tablet, and just make money with it. Very simple things you can do on here. Just another thing you can add to your routine. Not a difficult app to use. So like I said, you can click on the link in the descriptions. It'll bring you right to the app directly, and you'll also get bonus points for signing up with it. All right, so just bring that to your attention. Sign up today If you're interested in making money online, subscribe to my channel, like, share, comment, all that good stuff, because I'm all about bringing you guys money, ways to make free money online. Sign up for free. You don't have to invest any of your money. You don't have to give out any of your personal information. It's all about you just putting in the work and reaping the benefits of your reward. So that's it for this video. Click on the link in the description, sign up with it, download it right now, and always remember, every penny counts.